Today I'm going to teach you how to change your eye color in Photoshop. Hey guys, it's Connor here from Quick Edits. Today we're going to be looking at how to change your eye color in Photoshop. It's a really quick effect, only takes a couple of layers. Let's just jump straight in. So I've got this image here of an eye, looks great, and the first thing we've got to do is duplicate this layer. So we already have one there, and I'll press Command J to duplicate it, and we're going to hide the one underneath, and we're just going to work on the top one here. The next thing we're going to do is isolate the iris. We're going to use the selection tool up here. I've set the feather to 16 pixels. The reason I've done that is because the eye itself, the iris, doesn't have a harsh edge, so if we did a 0 pixel feather, it'd give us a really harsh colorization there. So we're just going to zoom in here now, and just from the center I'm going to hold Option, and I'm just going to try my best to get a perfect circle around the iris there. Good selection, that looks pretty good to me, and I'm happy with that. And I'm just going to press our mask button down the bottom here, and that's going to give us a pretty good selection with a nice feathered edge. Obviously I don't need this top eyelid here, so I'm just going to go to my brush tool, make sure I'm set to black, and I'm just going to paint on top to make sure I'm getting rid of that eyelid there, and I'm only selecting the iris. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see with the one underneath. Great stuff. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just add a group here, and what I'm going to do is use this mask and I'm going to drag it up to the group. That means anything we add on top here now will only affect what's inside the mask. Now to change the color of the eye itself, the first thing I want to do is brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to add an adjustment layer just down here, and I'm going to go to curves. On my curves graph here, I'm just going to grab the middle point there, and I'm just going to lift it up to brighten it up a little bit. That looks good. Now to actually change the color of the iris, we're going to go back down to our adjustment layers, and we're going to go to hue and saturation. And before I move any of these, I'm just going to click on colorize. And then with the top bar here, I can scrub through and find a nice color I'm happy with. So I think a nice blue there, just like that. I think that looks pretty good. And because we've added the feathered edge around our mask, it's come out pretty realistic. And there we go, guys. Another really quick tutorial for you today. How to change your eye color in Photoshop. Let me just show you the before and after again. I'll just pull this one on top. There's before, and there's after. Nice, bright blue eyes. As always, guys, really hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like down below. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.